Hi, everybody. Excited to be here. This is a product review based on sleep regression. As a parent, we all know that our little ones are constantly going through many changes. Every time you get on a schedule, it feels like that schedule has changed. So, I wanted to talk about a couple of products that I have found really helpful. I will drop the link for both of these. The first one is the Tony box. This is essentially an audio box that you can buy different characters that tell different stories. Some of them are more for daytime, so singing different songs, a little more high energy. And then they have Tonys that are intentionally meant for sleep time. And so for our little guy, we always read him one book prior to bed. We play one of the sleepy Tony characters at nighttime. And this has really helped with his sleep. He falls asleep to it, and it's also a great way for learning. We have one about space that he loves. We also have one about animals, which he also loves. It also auto turns off after a certain amount of time. The other thing that we have found is a alarm clock, and again, I will drop the link below. But the great part about this one is that it makes sounds, but it also changes color. And so we were going through a period where he was getting up at 4 o'clock in the morning, which is not ideal. The clock changes color, and he knows that when it turns pink, he can come into our room and it's time to wake up. If he wakes up prior to it changing color, we have created a box of things that he can do that is an easy access to his bed that he can play with prior to coming into our room, which is also really helpful. And I'll include those items as well. He was in his toddler bed, which is pretty small. He had expressed that he wanted to move into a bigger bed, which we had already had in his room, as we use it as a guest bedroom as needed when we have multiple guests staying at our house. We noticed shortly after that his sleep cycle was really thrown off. He was getting up in the middle of the night. And so, on a whim, we brought the toddler bed back into his room, and that has really improved. So, I think that he just wasn't ready. I think that the bed is cozy, it makes him feel safe. That really has made a difference. Not saying that this works for every child, but sharing what has worked for us as parents, I know that we are always looking for a fix, even though there is never a fix because their brains are constantly changing as well as their bodies. But that has been our experience for our little guy, and those have been things we have found really helpful. So, again, the Tony's box, the alarm clock, which I will drop as well, and the toddler bed, which I will provide a link to that. We love the toddler bed that we got from Wayfair, and it has worked out really nicely. So thanks for joining. Hope you find this helpful and have a great day.